first naval ship to have female crew members on board.
This kid had the best timing I've ever seen. There's always a chance. Before we get underway, got to cover a couple of things. One is how to properly put on a PFD. If we need one, I'll let you guys know. We'll grab one down. Move any hat or sunglasses out of the way. Unclip it. Put it over your head. These are reversible. As far as the kids, we do allow the kids to stand in the seat so long as
University of Corpus Christi men's and women's basketball teams. Now that middle shorter section, that is where they have large conferences and conventions. And then the tan building on the end, that is where the Saloon Auditorium is. That is where we have our fine arts events, such as ballet recitals, musicals, and plays. And it's also the smaller concert venue. Now again to our left, that building with the orange and white banner on the side of it, that is the Art Museum of South Texas. There they feature primarily the local artists of Texas. Sunk in the Coral Sea by the Japanese, so this made her the 6th U.S. Navy ship to be named in honor of the Battle of Lexington. Now, she is 872 feet long, 90 feet wide, and she has a top speed of 38 miles per hour, or 33 knots if you're fancy, and was home to around 2,600 officers and enlisted men, and about 110 aircraft. which among those right now on her flight deck, there is one from the movie Top Gun and one from the movie Top Gun Maverick that y'all can go and check out. Now, she went into commission in February of 1943, and then in 1980, she became the first naval ship to have female crew members on board, but then she was sadly decommissioned in 1991, but that's when they put her here and made her into a museum. After that, they did from the movie Pearl Harbor on board, and in the background of one of the scenes, you can actually see that channel marker out in front of her and our harbor bridge if you pay close enough attention. She has tons of activities for y'all to do on board, such as self-guided tours, a 3D movie theater, a flight simulator, 3 different types of escape rooms, and during the month of October, she has what they call their ghost tours because she is reported to be haunted by a ghost named Charlie down in the engine room.
This kid had the best timing I've ever seen.